Do you feel stuck? Like you want to make your life perfect? No matter how hard you are trying, you always stuck at the same. You imagine that you want to make your life better, like do something else in my life, and you even start the things doing, but after 1 and 2 days, you stop doing that things. Don't worry, I have been there. I also used to do this thing. But I come across a book, Atomic Habits. In that book, I have learned how to become 1% better each and every single day, and how can I make perfect my life. And that's what I'm going to tell you in this book. I also used to think to be a successful person, there is a lot of things required. I have to take a big step at a time. But one day I realized that to be a successful person, to do something big in your life, it's not required big things in first. It's all about how you take a teeny step towards your goal. What's your system around yourself? How you are implementing the things, how you are trying to affect your minds. That's all matter the most. It's not about like take a big changes in your life in first. No. Hi, my name is Phul Babu, and today in this video, I'm going to talk about atomic habits. And really, I'm very excited to talk about this book because this book shows me how to do things in simplest way, and how you can do the same. I'm going to tell about this thing in this video. But here is the thing, it's not about teaching the things, it's about implementing those things in your life. In this video, the ideas which I'm going to share with you, you don't have to stuck with that ideas. You will have to use that ideas to make yourself better. By the end of this video, you will be excited to take action towards your journey. So let's get start this. Why habits matters? Let me ask you one thing. Have you ever tried to build a exercise habits, doing something amazing in your life, and you following those things for 1 and 2 days, even for a 1 weeks, and after that you give up? James Clear says that it's not your fault, it's the fault of system that you are using in your life. We all are thinking that to change ourselves it's required big changes, but in the initially stage you just need to take one simple step at a time. They are easy, and when you will do that every single day, it will produce a momentum in your life, and it will be work, and it will be work over time like a plant that you are seeding seeds right now, and they will grow on as a plant. The power of 1% better is an every single day. Imagine you are just improving yourself 1% each and every single day. And after 1 and 2 months later, you will make yourself 37 times better. Think about it, like you are only doing exercise for 2 and 3 weeks consistently. And after 1 and 2 months, you will definitely feel like that you are powerful person. Imagine this, that you are reading one page per day, and after 1 and 2 months, you will finish 1 and 2 books. At first, you will feel like it's silly, but when you will be consistent on this, you will be become better version of your life. So that's why it's a very important habit, that is improving 1% better each and every single day to yourself, gonna make you perfect in every field. Like you are doing exercise, meditation, reading books, that could be anything. If you will improve yourself 1% each and every single day. And second key from atomic habit, that is focus on goal, not on system. Most of the people, they are doing that, they have set a goals that I want to reduce 2 kg weight by this month, and I want to finish this book by this month, and I want to do meditation for 1 years, but they don't focus on the system, and that's where they failed. For example, every people set goals that I want to be a fluent in English. This is their goals, but they are not focusing on system that to be a fluent speaker I have to remember 3 words per day, and I have to practice for 10 minutes each and every single day. They are not focusing on the small step that's gonna lead their influence. They are just only keeping their imagination that I am speaking influently at anywhere. But what happen when you will don't focus on system? After 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, even after a week, you will lose control over in that situation. That's why it's very important to focus on system before before setting any goals in your life. Set clear system that I have to reach at this level in this month, and for that I'm going to follow this system, and you will have to work on each and every single day on that system. That's when one day you are going to reach at that level, and that's the things that you have to keep in your mind. And idea 3 from this book: make habit easy and achievable. Like, if you want to read each and every single day books, then keep books aside your bed, keep that in front of you, so that you can easily take that book and start reading. If you want to do exercise, then keep your skipping in front of you, keep your sports shoes beside you, so that your mind will go there, and you can easily take that things and you can easily go out for running. If you want to do some exercise, just keep the equipments in front of you, so that you can easily adapt that things and go start doing that things. This is the things that you will have to focus on to make habits easy. You know what happened? We all are thinking that I will read book, I will study for 2 hours. But there is no any focused place where we will go and sit there and our mind said, let's study for 3 hours. Not at all. Because you are living in distracted world. And how you can think that even you are living in distracted world and you will study for 3 hours? For a study 3 hours continuously, you will have to make sound like that. The things which is required to do a study for 3 hours, you will have to keep all these things in front of you. You will have to make conditions like that. You will have to create situation like that. Then you can easily go and adapt that things, and your mind will say, let's do it. And you have set a time for 10 o'clock that you will have to do this thing, and at that time you will go outside and search for the equipments which is necessary in that work. So what will your mind say? Oh, this is things which I'm not finding, so let's delay this work. And if you will put all the things which is required in that work together before at 10 o'clock, then definitely your mind will say that all the things are kept there, so let's go and do that work. And the other things that is reward yourself. You know what happen when we are doing something, and for that things we get something in result, our mind will say, oh my god, I'm getting something. Have you ever think about it? Like, you are scrolling on social media, why? Because you got instant pleasure from there. Your mind get instant pleasure, and that's why you just want to keep doing that things again and again. So that's why you will also have to reward yourself when you finished any work. Like, if you have read one books, then tell yourself that after reading this book I will go walk for 5 minutes outside. This is like a reward for your mind. And after that vacation, your mind will be refocused on that things. That's why it's very important to give reward your minds, because when your mind will be satisfied, then you can do anything in your life. Here is the truth: if you will wait for the right time, then that time will never come in your life, because time is happening every single day, and this is the right time where you will have to take action towards your future, towards your goals. So don't wait for perfect time. Imagine that you have taken action today, and after 6 months you will get everything that you want in your life right now. So what you will say to yourself? Definitely you will say thank you to yourself, and you will felicitate yourself that I really did something in my life, and you will be excited and happy all the time. And imagine other side of it: if you will not take any step today, and the way you are imagining right now that I will be a better person in my upcoming time, and after 6 months and 1 year you will also stay at the same and thinking about this like I will be a better person one day.